Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this, the Chevy Silverado. So out of the four, three castings including this one, it is going to be fourth. So this one looks really massive. It covers the entire blister in it is in. So okay, so I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Honestly, it feels really heavy. I hope it looks really nice in hand as well. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, this is really long and this is really huge even compared to the RAM which we unboxed yesterday. Wow, this is really humongous. And honestly, as usual, no, I'm really sorry guys, they messed up the castings. You can see there are some paint bubbles here on the roof, everywhere. And there are no headlight details. Even the logo placement is not really, it is supposed to be there, but at least they would have painted something there, but nothing. It does have tail lights. I'm not sure about the logic behind painting the tail lights but not the headlights. So the bed here, which is this part, is plastic. This is plastic, but rest of the car is the truck is fully metal. It is chromed out. I don't know why they are chroming out everything nowadays. The casting is really solid casting. The wheels are actually huge compared to the normal, the exact, I think this they call 5-spoke if I'm not wrong. Just correct me if I'm wrong guys. So compared to the normal ones, this is very huge. Honestly, I love this casting so much. The only thing I hate about this casting is the paint job they did, which is really not great. So it doesn't have any rear view mirrors. It's okay, but it does look really heavy, and it is really heavy, and it is really a nice casting. Let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll really that well. I think it gets rubbed on the sides of the track, it seems. It does have wheel wobble, specifically the rear wheel, it wobbles a lot. But so if you guys are planning to customize this particular one, so you have a lot of potential on this one, man. So I really wish someone actually customizes this one, change the entire paint job to something really cool, and switch these tires with something rubber, and like something really monstrous. That's what I'm expecting. I'm not sure if someone is actually doing that nowadays. It does wiper details as well, which is really nice. So overall, this is a nice casting. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.